Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today we're going to do something a little bit different. We are dedicating this video to the Breast Cancer Awareness Month, marked in countries across the world everywhere in October, to help the increase of attention and support for the awareness of early detection and treatment, as well as palliative care of this disease. We are also including the purple ribbon to follow.
Hi, my name is Matt. The Purple Ribbon brings awareness to a variety of different areas, most notably Alzheimer's awareness, opioid crisis awareness, and lupus awareness.
So in this video, guys, we're going to be making two candle holders, one in the purple for the purple ribbon, one in the pink for the pink ribbon. We will be donating it to the Breast Cancer Awareness Society dinner, and everything I'm using to create this craft is down in the description box below. I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video. I do want to say a special thank you to my son for speaking on the purple ribbon, and it is a joint effort. So everything I'm using to create this craft, I linked in the description box below. I hope you're having an awesome day. Click like, comment, share, and I will see you in the next video.